Hi there, Sandra Krinke, Product Marketing Manager at Zight, and I'm going to take a moment to show you how to integrate the Zight Notion one-click with your Zight account. So I'm on the dashboard. You're going to navigate over here, click on Integrations, and then under Notion, select Manage, and then you're going to click on Connect. And if you're like me, you might have more than one Notion workspace, so make sure that you've got the respective one that you want to connect to your account. I'm going to select Sandra Krinke's workspace, and then you're going to click on Select Spaces, and then I'm going to click on a specific database called Test Database that I want to connect here. You can select whichever one you would like under your own account. And then we're going to go ahead and select Allow Access. This is now giving Zight access to that specific Notion. And then what we need to do is go over and under here, when we go to create a page, we need that database ID. So if I go to Notion, I'm already on my test database. We're going to go up here and grab the ID, which is this number right here. It'll be after the notion.so, and you'll grab it all the way over before the question mark shows up is the easiest way to explain it. We're going to do a quick copy and then paste. And then I'm going to close out of here, and then just to show you how all the magic works once you're connected, I've got a nice video open here. I did a step-by-step guide using our AI. So I'm going to go to Export, and then under the Create with One-Click Integration, if you select Notion, you can see that my request has now been copied. I can go back over to my Notion page, and then you can see it's been added to this account. Now I already had one in here with the same name, but just to kind of show you how that works, it has now added that into this workspace. And let's see, let's go ahead and click on open. Oops, I want to open this actual one here. So that step-by-step guide that you saw in your Zight account is now fully integrated and added directly into your Notion workspace. So like you noticed, it was very quick and easy to set up, and even more quick and very easy to integrate into your Notion workspace so you can easily access and share with your team.